Okay, we're going to do a little sound comparison today. I've got a 08 Yamaha XT250 with the FMF Powercore 4. And then over here I've got my KLX 250S with the FMF Q4. I've had this pipe for about 6 months, and I just got this pipe a couple days ago, and it's night and day difference. The Powercore's got a great rumbling sound, but it is loud. The Q4 is, you know, a lot louder than stock, gives it a nice tone, but it definitely, you can drive it around town and nobody blinks an eye at you, where the Powercore 4, people turn and look. So bikes are warmed up. I've got a decibel app on my iPhone. It's probably not 100% accurate, but at least we're going to get two different readings off the same app, and that way you can get some type of a sound comparison or loudness between the two. When I do this, I'm going to have to set the camera down just for a second so I can hold the app up to the muffler or to the exhaust, you know, about 20 inches away. So let's start up the XT. And here we are at idle right now. Nice little sound. I'm going to get my app out here. And it's kind of what it looks like. Like I said, I don't know how accurate this thing is, but at least it's the same app with both bikes and both exhausts. You probably heard that. And on the app, I peaked out at 105 at a decibel range. Alright, let's go ahead and cut this off. Go over here to the Kawasaki. And once again, this is at idle speed. Just a nice little tone. Rev it up a little bit here. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and set this down and put the app up to the exhaust. Okay, that one's kind of hard to see, but that one peaked out at 99. So we got 105 on the FMF Powercore, and or excuse me, 105 on the Powercore 4, and we got 99 on the Q4. From what I've read about decibel sounds, is for every increase of 10 decibels, it's approximately twice as loud. So we've got a 6 decibel increase between the Powercore 4 and the Q4. So the Powercore 4 is not quite twice as loud, but I guess you could say it's 60% louder than the Q4.